Hi guys, today we'll talk about the complete strategy planning for the CMAT exam. So there are 4 sections: quant, logic, verbal and GK. Yeah, 100 marks each. Your target is for MMS program. If you want to take MMS admission, your target score, target attempts is 24, 24, 24, 20. That's a target attempt. If you want JB, if you want Sydenham, all the top colleges, your target have to be this number. 24, 24, 24, 92 attempts. Then you can get around 99.9 percentile plus. Again, depending on the accuracy and everything, but this is the target. But if you want PGDM programs, Willinker, all these colleges, SIS, Dalmia, your target is 21, 22, 22, 15. This number can change from person to person depending on your attempt. And here I wanted to calculate your attempt. I always add this table so that the moment you put your numbers here, you can immediately find out what is the strong area, what is the weak area. Okay, so this is your number one part. So if you want a number wise, 300 is your target score if you are looking for JB, Sydenham, top college. And for PGDM, your target score is 250 plus. So 300 plus, 250 plus, these are the two target setting point of view. And GK is going to the main section which you have to focus on. Now if you go deep down, so GK 3 main part: Indian events, international events and the static GK. Now Indian events can be static or current affair. Okay, so for example, yesterday we had, let's assume that Independence Day. Okay, so 15th of August is which day? Republic Day, Independence Day. We can answer that question. Okay, I'm giving example कि 26th of Jan या जो भी आएगा question, we can answer that. But Republic Day कब start हुआ था? Yeah, what was the main event? Why Republic Day started? That will become a static GK. And CMAT does that. They convert a current affair question into a static GK question. Okay. From logic point of view, this is just syllabus. Traditional logic 12 question, decoding all these things. Modern logic 6 question. Yeah, verbal reasoning 5, visual reasoning 2. Quant, arithmetic, time speed number, DIDS, modern maths. Everything is going to come. And that's the main problem. In quant, they're going to test you on every chapter. They won't go into the depth. See, CAT is depth. CET is depth. Few topics, but going deep. CMAT is all topic. You can expect a question on EMI also. You can expect a question on statistics also. They can ask you anything on the earth. CMAT का ये fundamental problem है. Then from the word point of view, vocabulary main thing, reading, grammar. That's your 100 mark का paper. In case you want to join us for the mock series or the classroom program, you can call on the number given here. Okay, now I want to go deep down which topic is what importance. So you can pause the video and check out this thing. That's your arithmetic, time speed distance, time speed, time at work, PNC topic and the importance, geometry number, DIDS. Then from the logic point of view, the main topics, their importance, verbal point of view topics and their importance, and GK point of view. So they're going to cover up everything. The main problem you have to focus on is maths. Only agenda should be to do all the solved examples of every chapter of quant. Every chapter. Okay. Alright, now this is the complete timetable in front of you for the CMAT exam. So if you want to crack it, starting from today, I'm dividing the preparation to 4 parts. So we got almost 1 month remaining for the CMAT exam. This is your week 1. So session 1 can become your week 1. So week 1 cover up all these topics. Then week 2, week 3 and week 4. Okay, target score, first target score is 200. Then we'll move the target to 250, 300, 330 in case you want to go for the MMS program. In case target is JB. Otherwise 150, 200, 250, 280 can be a very good target in the mocks. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of this number, this thing in front of you, and this is going to be a target setting for the CMAT exam. Alright, so in case you want to ask me any question, please ask me in the comments. I'll be making a second video on this as well if required. So ये आप timetable follow करके चलो and we are sorted. All the best.